Hi and welcome to my channel. I have really missed making videos. मैं कैमरा से आई थिंक 4-5 दिन थोड़ा मुझे दूर रहना पड़ा है बिकॉज मेरे एग्जाम्स चल रहे हैं एंड आई हैव मिस्ड कैमरा सो मच. आई डिडंट रियलाइज हाउ मच इट वाज हेल्पिंग मी लाइक regulate my restless energy and have a creative outlet. I think as ADHDers we really do need a creative outlet. So I'm so glad that I'm here now and like speaking to the camera.
Missed it so much.
Unfortunately, like my exams are gonna go for some time now, so like I would have to limit the video making, but I'll try to fit it into my routine as much as I can because this is something that genuinely makes me happy. Lately I've also been working with like ADHD brains, and I must say the experience has been so amazing and so rewarding and so like genuinely so insightful. Working with ADHD brains has made me realize that like we all are literally living in the same wiring. We have different stories, everyone is different ages, but we all like I can see the pattern and I can see it originating the same way in like every single ADHDer. It's so fun to connect with ADHDers in general. Due to that, there are some common themes that I observed, like inner critic, and
A distorted sense of self.
it made me really quite emotional and made me reflect back on my journey as well. So far, I think I'm really enjoying my coaching journey, and I think I would love to expand more into it as I move ahead in life.
This is just like a life update kind of video.
I honestly can't believe that like अभी मैं इतनी बड़ी हो चुकी हूँ या मैं grown up ही हो चुकी हूँ that I'm like being out here and working and things like that. Like I remember 2-3 years back like feeling paralyzed, being on my bed and not being able to move, and that's a big time, guys. So I'm obviously like extremely grateful that I get to do this. I've also been exploring themes with like unmasking more and like letting myself be more and not laughing at jokes that I don't find funny. And I think that I like where it's heading. I feel way more regulated in my body. Also, बॉडी से ध्यान आया, आई हैव बीन एक्सप्लोरिंग क्लोथ्स दैट सूट मी मोर इन द सेंस दैट अभी तक या तो हम एस्थेटिक बेस पे जाते थे या जस्ट लाइक जो सुंदर कलर है वो ले लिया, बट आई एम स्टार्टिंग टू रियलाइज हाउ क्लोथ्स अफेक्ट मी और सर्टन फैब्रिक्स अफेक्ट मी. सो आई एम चूजिंग क्लोथ्स विच एक्चुअली सेंसरी regulate me rather than like dysregulating me. I think mera like wardrobe change is very near and it's gonna happen. I'm so excited for it. That would just be like another step into regulating myself. If you're watching this video, I just want you to know that like आइडेंटिटी के बारे में मैं सीरियसली बहुत ज़्यादा बात करना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि जो तुम्हारी आइडेंटिटी होती है, जो तुम खुद के बारे में सोचते हो, वैसा ही तुम बिहेव करते हो, वैसा ही तुम्हारे इमोशंस फ्लो करते हैं, वैसे ही थॉट्स आते हैं, तो आइडेंटिटी के ऊपर एक्चुअली बहुत कुछ डिपेंडेंट है. गुड न्यूज़ इज़ कि आइडेंटिटी चेंजेबल है, आइडेंटिटी वर्केबल है, आइडेंटिटी थ्रू आउट द लाइफ मल्टीपल टाइम्स चेंज होती है और जब हम उसको पर्पसफुली करते हैं तो वी कैन एक्चुअली गवर्न व्हाट काइंड ऑफ आइडेंटिटी डू आई वांट टू हैव, what kind of self image do I wanna see for myself, if that makes sense to you. If I have to just leave you with some thought, then it would definitely be that like start thinking of yourself in a higher version. um like stop pulling yourself down if you feel like you pull yourself down, or if you feel like you say things like
I suck.
maybe just start noticing it and maybe just start like reframing it. Be something like, on what basis am I saying that I suck? And it can be like, okay, it's XYZ basis. Is it a true basis? Even if it's a true basis, do I deserve to like talk to myself that way? Can a kinder voice be taken place instead? So yeah, that's something I wanted to share. Other than that, आई डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली और क्या है मेरे दिमाग में. ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं बहुत कुछ बोलना चाहती हूँ बट आज वर्ड्स कम पड़ रहे हैं. अक्सर मैं बहुत बोल पाती हूँ, राइट, बट it's just I don't know what to say. I think lately I've been a bit more structured, which is like good for me, right? At the same, oops, what just happened right now? Anyway, what I was saying was that I think मैं बहुत structured हो गई हूँ अभी, which is good for me, like, and like good for the people I work with, and एग्ज़ाम्स में भी मुझे हेल्प कर रहा है हर चीज़ में, राइट. बट एट द सेम टाइम आई फील लाइक just being more flowy is me. Like, when I'm more flowy, I'm able to feel more emotions more deeply. Also, I forgot to update, like, I have been doing meditation every single day and it's been working so nicely for me. I only do it for 10 minutes, but it's amazing. And I do guided meditation, but मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा है. And yeah, surprisingly, I really enjoy it. Like, नाउ कीप इन माइंड कि मैंने कुछ साल पहले भी मेडिटेशन ट्राई कर रखा है और मैंने अपने डिफरेंट स्टेजेस ऑफ लाइफ में मेडिटेशन ट्राई कर रखा है, बट आई हैव नेवर रियली गॉटन टू एंजॉय इट और एक्चुअली breathe into it. But lately I have been able to not only meditate but actually enjoy it, so it's become a kind of like a consistent practice. In fact, मुझे अभी भी थोड़ी देर में like ये वीडियो वगैरह शूट करके I might just as well meditate, so yeah, that's also going on. I'm quite happy about it. Also, like on Instagram, I think मेरी anxiety धीरे धीरे थोड़ी थोड़ी कम हो रही है. I'm getting more comfortable. पहले मैं इंस्टा पे कुछ भी डालती थी तो मुझे बहुत नर्वस फील होता था, एंड इंस्टा यूज्ड टू बी दिस वेरी हैवी प्लेस फॉर मी, and now it's slightly becoming lighter. It's just in my head, abhi externally visible nahi hai wo cheez, but that has started shifting too. So yeah, I honestly don't know what else I have in my mind right now. I think this is it. Surprisingly, it's quite less today, which is good. Which is good. Maybe meditation is playing role. Who knows? Thank you for watching my video and I'll see you next time. And I'm also planning to do more story times. मुझे लगता है अभी मैं कॉलेज और जा रही हूँ, कॉलेज आके पुरानी मेमोरीज भी रिफ्रेश हो चुकी हैं और न्यू मेमोरीज भी बन रही हैं. इन माई डे टू डे लाइफ आई फील लाइक आई हैव सो मैनी, there are so many stories that I have, interesting spicy ones too, and like boring random mundane ones too. I'm thinking of doing that. Do let me know if you are interested in it. And thank you for watching my video. Now I'm going. Tata, bye. Take care. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, okay? Bye.